You can get stable wireless CarPlay for any kind of vehicle with the LAMTTO CarPlay tablet. Let's take a closer look at it and how it works. Alright. So here's the device itself. Inside we have all these accessories here. Here's a car mount, so you can place it inside. Various cables, like the car charging cable and the aux cable. Here's another mount. And then the user manual as well. Some more placement stuff. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. With the LAMTTO tablet, you can easily turn the device and put it into landscape or portrait mode, making it versatile enough to meet your preferences for any kind of content. It's also super easy to set up and use, and can be used with CarPlay and Android Auto. Just connect your phone to the tablet via Bluetooth, and it can provide navigation, make phone calls, send and receive messages, listen to music, and much more. It can also be easily updated through your phone's cellular network, making it even more convenient to use. You can even use it with voice assistants such as Siri or Google Assistant for hands-free controls, ensuring you stay focused on the road. The tablet also comes with 2 different brackets for easier installation. The magnetic bracket that can easily clip onto your front air vents, and it has a 360-degree rotating ball to adjust the tablet's angle. And then the suction cup bracket, which can be installed easily onto your dashboard or windshield as well, suitable for installation on 99% of car models. And when you download the free EveLink app, you can connect it to your tablet via Wi-Fi to protect your phone screen while connected. And it allows you to easily cast media and airdrop photos from your phone on the CarPlay screen. So it's great for passengers during a long road trip. And again, it supports both Android and Apple devices. LAMTTO also has great customer service, and it comes with a 2-year warranty, helping to give you more peace of mind. And so yeah, I highly recommend you guys check out the LAMTTO CarPlay tablet for your car today. And you can check it out in the link below. See you.